मैट्रिसेस, अगर ए और बी दो मैट्रिसेस हैं तो ए बी नॉट इक्वल टू बी ए है, इसका मतलब नॉट कॉम्यूटेटिव, नॉट कॉम्यूटेटिव। सेकेंड, ए बी इक्वल टू बी ए मीन्स कॉम्यूटेटिव, means commutative. Third case, AB equal to negative of BA, this case is called anti-commutative. This case is called anti-commutative. Anti-commutative. So we have find in properties of multiplication. In multiplication, not always follow the commutative law. Not follow the commutative law. It means always not find the commutative law, but associative law and distributive law hold always. We can check by this question. I think it give for your home talks. You do simple multiplication and you can check it is associative or distributive law hold always. And C is minus 3 4 6 0. Prove A B C is equal to B C associative law. And second, for given matrix A B plus C is equal to AB plus AC, AB plus AC distributive law. This problem is for your homework. You can prove associative and distributive law. It means in multiplication case it is not always commutative, but associative and distributive law hold. अब दूसरी प्रॉपर्टी है थर्ड, existence of identity. We know identity matrix, it is 0 0 1 order 2 and order 2, and this I have explained you what is means by identity element. Identity matrix, a matrix which has only elements in diagonal, and that is 1. If any matrix is multiplied by identity matrix, we will get same matrix. You see, A is 2 minus 1 1 3 1 2 0 1 2. This is order 3 by 2, and identity matrix suppose order 3 is 1 1 0 1 0 0 1 3 by 3. Here number of column is 3, number of rows is be in 3. Then we can multiply these matrix. So now A multiplied by identity matrix 2 minus 1 1 3 1 2 0 1 2, and identity matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0. When we multiply A into I, we will find here rows is 3 and column is 3. So we multiply first rows by first column, first rows by second column, first rows by third column. Similarly, row 2 column first, column 2, column third, and rows 3 column 1, column 2, column 3. 6. See, we take first rows 2 multiplied by 1 plus minus 1 multiplied by 0 and plus 1 multiplied by 0. ये फर्स्ट एलिमेंट बन गया. अब 2 multiplied by 0 2 multiplied by 0 plus minus 1 multiplied by 1. Here 2 multiplied by 0 minus 1 multiplied by 1 and 1 multiplied by 0 and 1 multiplied by 0. Third element, third rows, 0, 2 multiplied by 0 plus minus 1 multiplied by 0 and 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 0, 2 multiplied by 0 minus 1 multiplied by 0 and 1 multiplied by 1. 1 multiplied by 1. Now take third rows, 3 multiplied by 1, 1 multiplied by 0 plus 2 multiplied by 0. ये सेकेंड रोज को फर्स्ट कॉलम से किया गया. अब सेकेंड रोज को सेकेंड कॉलम से करेंगे. 3 multiplied by 0, 1 multiplied by 1, 1 multiplied by 1 and 2 multiplied by 0. अब थर्ड रोज को थर्ड कॉलम से, तो 0 multiplied by 0 plus 1 multiplied by 0 plus 2 multiplied by, here 2 multiplied by 1. तो यहाँ आपने फर्स्ट रोज को फर्स्ट कॉलम से किया, फर्स्ट रोज को सेकेंड कॉलम से किया, फर्स्ट रोज को थर्ड कॉलम से किया. अब सेकेंड रोज लेंगे, सेकेंड रोज को फर्स्ट कॉलम से, सेकेंड रोज को थर्ड कॉलम से, सेकेंड रोज को सेकेंड कॉलम से और थर्ड कॉलम से. अब तीसरी रोज लेंगे, तीसरी रोज को फर्स्ट कॉलम से 0 into 1 plus 1 into 0, 1 into 0 and plus 2 into 0. अब सेकेंड रोज को थर्ड रोज को थर्ड कॉलम से, तो 0 into 0 plus 1 into 1 and 2 into 0, 2 into plus 2 into 0 plus 2 into 0. अब थर्ड रोज को थर्ड से, तो 0 into 0 plus 1 into 0 plus 2 into 1. So on simplifying we will find here this 0 0 2 and here 0 0 and 1 multiplied by minus 1, it is minus 1. And here 2 is 0, 2 is 0, 1 into 1. And here 3 is 0, 1 is 0, 3 into 3. Here 1. Here 2 into 1, 2. 0, 1 and 2. We'll see you find matrix A alone. And if we multiply I into A, we also able to find A. It means identity matrix. It means identity matrix is the identity element of matrix. This way we can show the existence of identity in any matrix. Inverse, existence of inverse. A matrix A and B, if multiplied B into A, we find capital I. It means A is the inverse of B and B is inverse of A. If find multiplication identity matrix. Inverse, how we calculate the inverse of any matrix, we will explain and again in future lectures. In the today I have given you how you multiply two matrices. Okay, thank you.